Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a very busy Tower Street here at Alton Towers for Scarefest. So we're here for the day, we're only here for the afternoon to do the rides, but this evening we're going to go around all the houses and I will let you know my opinion of them. Here we have the pumpkins that represent all of the rides.
One time.
What don't you want to go on, Terry? Oh, you don't want to go on the Smiler. What's the first ride that will make you go on, Terry? Oh, the Smiler. Well, that's Smiler done. Don't have to go back on it today. Finito. Done. No more. So Oblivion's been done and now we're going to get some food, but this lot have already been on Hex and I don't like Hex, makes us sick. But we're going to go for burgers now. That's right, it's the most thrilling ride of the park, Gangster Granny. So here's all the prohibited items. Trumpets, plungers, bottom burps, false teeth, all the rest. You can read them.
Be on the lookout. Could be any one of them. Send all the visitors through the security check. Over.
Gangster Granny done, and it's one of them thrilling rides where you've got a white knuckle and grip onto it. Now, head over towards Rita and 13, if they're running. Wow, we've just done Rita, and I am positive that gets faster every time. And right on cue it goes past. But yeah, I'm sure as the season draws on that gets faster, because that was super fast. I love the atmospheric music as you're walking through the 13 line though. Very Halloweeny. So there you are, we've just been on 13. Good as always, except, oh my god, the restraints are tight. The guy had to push it an extra click for me and I couldn't breathe. But anywho, still managed to get on it. It was still fun. On to the next. Watch. Ready? Yeehaw!
An extensive rabbit warren was described by the 15th Earl in the early 19th century, situated in one of the wildest and most desolate moorland hills. On the gorgeous green, to grow his own bananas in the garden conservatory. time when the banana was an incredibly exotic fruit. The present-day gardens are a celebration of the Earl's early work.
Which will be closed in the next couple of weeks. About to set off there, which will be closed on the 6th of November for a retrack and a touch-up of the theming. So this will be the last time that we see it in its current guise. And if the rumour mill is correct, Nemesis Subterra is coming back. It's been closed since 2015, and if you have a look, they've removed all the floor and it's covered in scrimmage. So it looks like there's some construction going on. Hopefully it won't be long. I have a feeling that it'll be sometime next year, whilst Nemesis the ride is down, Nemesis Subterra will open. The googly eyes are still stuck on the poster. Here we go, we've come to have a look at Jewel, which is all smoky property repossessed. So obviously this is all getting redone for next season. About time, because it was needing done.
Sorry, mailbox full. Please try again later. Thank you for...
So that's what happens when you ring that number. Warning, don't look inside. Can you see? Can you see in there? What's in there? Oh, ho, ho. Let's have a look at this one. Can't see inside this one. So the Scarefest is well and truly on its way now, and we're going into our first house, the attic. Now this one isn't wheelchair friendly, so we're having to like help Ellie around. But just as a forewarning to yourselves, if you're a wheelchair user and you can't walk very far, don't book this one, because it's a no-go.
Finally, he was
know what it's like when we come out. This is as far as I'm allowed to take the camera, I'm afraid. We're at the front of the line, ready for going into the attic. What a lovely looking line. Okay, honest review of the attic. Last year that was the scariest one. Lots of scare actors in there, lots of jump frights. This time there was only a handful of scare actors in there, maybe 5, 6 at the most, and it could have been a lot more. So I'm not sure if we're just early. Well, it is 25 past 6 at night, so sorry about music. I don't know if it's staffing issues or what, but it wasn't that scary. Time for the darkest depths.
Eating, drinking, or smoking inside the darkest depths. The use of any torches, video recording equipment, and photography is strictly forbidden. Finally, you must stay together as a group.
Almost time to go in. The towers are looking very Halloweeny, all lit up in the greens and purples. So review of Darkest Depths, very good. Enjoyed that one, much better than the attic was. More scare actors, more scares, yes. Next maze of the night, Altonville Mine Tours. And after this, it's an audio maze type thing where you sit in the dark with headphones on. So this is the last one where we actually walk through with scare actors. So a quick review of the mine scare house maze. None of scare actors, unfortunately. Again, not as good as last year's. And to be honest, unless they drastically improve this event, we won't be coming back next year. There's not many mobile walk around scare actors or scare zones or anything really, and the houses are exactly the same as they were last year. And a disappointing thing, only one of the houses is actually wheelchair friendly. If you're hard of walking, I would probably give this event a miss. Time for the audio experience, the invitation.
Phones, photo and video recorders are strictly prohibited and must be kept in your pockets at all times, preferably turned.
Well, that was freaky. They have an event like this at Thorpe Park, but it was nowhere near as good as the one at Alton Towers. That was proper freaky. It really sounded like there was a vampire sniffing around and eating people alongside you. Ooh, look at that shadow. That's pretty bad. There we go, that's better. So yeah, that was really good. Probably better than some of the scare mazes here, which is a bit sad. Well, we decided to end our night on a ride of the Wicker Man, our favourite ride here at Alton Towers. Well, mine and Tristan's favourite ride here. Ellie and Emma's is a Smiler. Anywho, gonna head on out now. Long drive home. See you all tomorrow. Now it's time to do your job.